Now, 22.5 degree. How to construct 22.5 degree? That how to construct means, you can construct first 22.5 means that's half of 45 degree. That is 22.5. And half of 90 degrees 45 degree. So first you have to construct 90 degree, then half of 90, that become 45, then again half of 45, that become 22.5. So first step you have to construct 90 degree, then bisect it and to make 45 degree, then after that again bisect the 45 degree to get that 22.5 degree. So first we can construct 90 degree. First step, draw an arc here. Sorry, draw a ray here. And construct that 90 degree by making this arc as one arc. One arc, second arc, third arc, then from there itself you can draw one arc here like this, and to draw this arc. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arcs want to draw to get that 90 degree. Then we get this 90 degree now. After that we have to construct after that you have to construct an angle 45 degree. So here D, here E means we need to bisect this angle, that 90 degree. That means the first step you want to draw an arc. This already one arc is drawn here as DE. So from D or with center as D, we have to draw an arc which is more than half of DE. That is the bisector construction now. So here one arc from D and from E with D and E as centers. We have to draw two arcs which intersect at the point F, and that line is 45 degree. If we join this angle is 45 degree. Then after that, but now we get complete angle 90, then bisect it. So this side that become 45 degree. Then this 45 if you bisect, you will get that 22.5. That we are going to do. Again bisecting means, okay, this is the point G. Then we need to construct a bisector of this angle FAB here. So one arc want to draw from A. Already this is our arc DG is there. Now need to draw one more arc. Okay. Then from here D want to take more than half of this DG arc radius and draw two arcs from D as well as with a G, with A, with a D and G as centers. Draw two arcs which is intersecting at the point H, and join this A and H. That is our required angle. Not this ray. The angle formed here. This angle. This angle is our 22.5 degree. So the required angle is angle HAB. Angle HAB is our required angle 22.5. So here FAB, this angle is 45 degree, and the complete angle is 90 degree. We need to construct the next construction is construction of 75 degree. Here we need to construct a 75 degree. 75 degree can split as 60 plus 50. That means we want to construct first 60 degree, then after 60 want to construct a 15 more degree there. Then together 75. For doing that, that 15 degree want to construct means after 60, 15 degree want to construct. For that, after 60 plus 30, that means together 90 degree want to construct it. After getting that 90 degree, then 60 and 30 in between, 90 in between 30 degree, that you have to bisect and find out that 75 degree. So for that, first step, we have to construct this 60 degree and 90 degree. For doing this construction, first I'm going to construct a 90. For doing that, we'll get a 160 degree. This is 60 degree line. Then after that, this arc is a 120 degrees arc. Then we have to bisect and get that 90 degree here. After that, we can get this. So together I'm going to draw this together, 90 as well as 60 degree line. Or you can just put dotted lines, okay. That means we need only 75 degrees. So that we can write as a, draw as a full line. Other all rays drawing you can do as dotted lines. So this is 60. So C, here it can give D. Okay. This is 60, this is 90. So now up to this it is 60 degree. Then this completely 30 degree. If you bisect this angle from here to here, we will get a 115 degree. That we are going to do. So for doing this, here want to get bisector. That means in that angle, bisector, this is an arc. Already the arc is there. So you can construct a 2 arc like this. And as well as from here, this. And join. This is our 75 degree line. So you can draw full line. I want to give E. So required angle is, this is 60 and this angle is 15 degree. This is 60 degree. So together we will get a 75 degree. That means our angle is angle EAB. That is our required angle 75 degree. Now 105 degree. 105 degree can split as 90 plus 15 degree. So first step you have to construct 90 degree. Then after 90 you have to construct a 15 degree. So for doing that 90 plus 30 first you have to construct. That is 120 want to construct. 90 as well as 120 both want to construct. So that construction we have to do first. This is for constructing 90 as well as 120 first. This is 60. This is 120. Bisect. You have to draw both lines, 120 as well as 90 degree. leave 60. Okay, 60 we don't need here. So here it is. Dotted lines you can use for drawing these lines. So this is 120 ray, this 90 ray, this is C, this is D. Then now it is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. Then this angle is 30 degree. So if you bisect this, you will get a 15 degree. So that I am going to do. So for bisecting here again, one arc. Here keeping another arc and drawing this bisector. This is our, so now this become 15 degree. So 90 plus 15 together, 105. So which is our angle? The name want to give there, A, B, C, D, E. So angle, okay, angle is angle EAB, which is equal to 105 degree. Now 135 degree. 135 means 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45. So first you want to construct 90. Then after that 45 want to construct. For getting that 45, you need to construct a 90 again. That means together 90 plus 90, 180. Then after 90 and 180, that gap you have to construct a bisector to get that 45 degree. So first step you can construct a 90 degree. We can use this construction of 90 degree as a second way. I showed no that you can use this here. Too easy. Anyway you can do, no problem. You can construct in any method to get 90 degree. So here P, here Q. Then I am going to construct in the other way. Okay. So 90 degree construction. First arc. Then second 60 degree. Third 120 degree. Then bisector. Okay, before that you have to draw the straight together. Okay, so want to construct here 90 degree. This 90 degree we can use a dotted line to represent this 90 degree ray. After that you have to do this remaining part, that is after 90, this part you have to extend and to get this 180 degree, then only you can bisect. Okay, so if you extend this will be that this is 90 and this side next side also 90. So this complete 90 degree and you have to bisect this angle 90 degree as to get a 45 degree. So for bisecting that, this is a point. Okay, here is a point. Draw an arc. Here is another point. Draw another arc and draw this line. This is the bisector of this 90 degree, second 90 degree. So PQ, here we R, here it is S. So this is 90, this is 45. So together 135 degree. So the required angle is angle SPQ, which is equal to 135 degree.